Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video here I'll be showing you how to tie a barrel knot, also known as a double overhand knot. It is a simple stopper knot, similar to the overhand knot, but with one more wrap of the working end. Its applications are for camping, climbing, farming, fishing, general purposes, and boating. There are two ways of tying this knot, and I will be showing both in this video. Take the working end and wrap it around your finger. Then wrap it around your finger one more time. That working end should be past the standing part. Feed the working end through the two loops. Now tighten and dress accordingly. Here it is once it's done. For the second method, take the working end of the rope and form a loop. Now take the working end and feed it through that loop, first creating an overhand knot. Feed that working end through the loop one more time. Now tighten and dress accordingly. As you can see, we have the exact same knot. Now an example using a stopper knot through a hole. This is a much bulkier knot than compared to the overhand knot. It's also stronger than the overhand knot, but not the strongest of stopper knots. It can be used for holding a rope through a hole, providing a larger area to grab onto, or provide weight at the end of the rope for throwing. However, it can jam and become difficult to untie. Beyond the use on its own, it can also be used in other knots as well, providing added security. If a working end of a rope starts to pull through the other knot, this knot can be used to stop that from occurring. Stronger options for stopper knots would be the figure 8 knot or the oysterman's stopper knot. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.